Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial. And this tutorial I'm going to be explaining how you can use multiple cameras in Blender, like these videos you can see on your screen right now. Because these videos I use multiple cameras to capture angles and detailing of these characters you can see, or this animation. So I'm going to be doing the same thing in this video. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also notification bell to get more videos. So this character on screen was generated with human generator add-on. This human generator add-on. So if you want to learn how to use human generator add-on, just please go and watch my previous video to learn how to use human generator add-on. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to create a new collection and name it camera. So I'm going to create this new collection, double click, and name it camera. So this is where all our camera is going to be placed inside. Next now I'll do is add my camera, shift A, and then set camera. Then I'm going to set the the resolution, which is going to be 1080 by 1920. Yes. I'm going to select my N on my keyboard. Come yes, and make sure my camera is to view. Well, first of all, when you select camera, I will just probably zoom back so I can see the whole dimension or the size of the camera. Then I select this. When I select this, it allows me to move my camera with these options. If I select this and I do like this, the camera is not going to move. You can see it's the position of the camera is even adjusting on the viewport. But if I zoom backward, I can't see anything. So most time I use this camera to view. When I select camera to view, sorry, and I drag, just hold on it. So when you hold on it, you just drag it backward. It's for zooming, this one is for dragging, you get. So I can just decide to, let's zoom out to capture the details of the face now. But the first thing we do after adding a camera is to make sure your camera is selected, place your mouse here, and you can select Ctrl B to bind camera to marker, or you can just select this marker and select this bind camera to markers. This is control, shortcut is Ctrl B, you get. So just select Ctrl B, and then you can just keyframe. Make sure your mouse is on your viewport, not on your timeline. So just select I, and let's say from frame 1 to frame 60, or let's say frame 1 frame 30. I just want to make it short. So and you can move your camera from, you can just make sure your camera is selected and just press G, X, and you can drag it to the right hand side. Sorry, probably just want to capture the details of the face, yeah, or just some small movements. Yeah, just leave it like this, and you can just press I again, you get. Then we are going to add another camera again. Let me turn off this first camera. Let me select N. I'll press Shift A, and we have a new camera. Yes, this is it here. So this one too, we're also going to bind it to marker. But first of all, let's make sure we're in frame 31. Make sure your mouse is here or anywhere, sure. Doesn't matter if it's here. So this is 31. Then press Ctrl B, which is the shortcut, you get. So we have camera 001 bind to this keyframe marker. So this is 31, and then we can just select this camera view, and we can just drag backward. So let's assume we want to capture like the footwear of the character, you get, probably something there. You can just select I to keyframe from 31, and we can just probably select 60, and we'll move to the right again, G, X. Sorry, hey, it's too much. So this is enough. This is enough, sorry. And let's keyframe, and then we can move again, frame 61, same method, Shift A, Shift A, camera, yes. Just turn off this. Make sure this camera is selected, and then just press Ctrl B. Make sure your mouse is also in this timeline, Ctrl B. So this camera to bind to marker frame 61, and when you select your camera, it's going to start from the camera 002 and drag it backward. Then we can just, you want to capture the character's body from probably bottom to top, you get. So I just say make sure your mouse is here, select I to keyframe, and you can probably go to frame maybe 120 or so. So I want to capture the characters depending on the information you want to capture, you get. So GZ, go up, I'm holding on shift, that's why it moves slowly, you get. I don't want it to overlap in my movement. So anytime I drag, I hold on shift so that it will not overlap my movement. So and I press keyframe I, and that's all. Also, you can make your camera motion smoother, or you can make it linear so that it will not overlap in the movement yet in the camera mode. So when I make sure you selected all your keyframe like this. So all the keyframes are not selected. So you can just press A, make sure your mouse is here, select A, then press T, then select linear. Do you get? So you can do that. So and we have something like that. Can you see? So have to button. So when you are dragging through the frame, depending on where this frame is dragged to. So if you are in this frame, do you get? If you are in this frame and you turn off your camera and you switch your camera, the camera that is within this particular frame, which is camera 001, will be the one that will display. You get? So and because that's the function of it. And when you turn off this and just turn it off, you can move back again to this. So this means that this is the camera that is active there. So when you turn your camera on, you can see it's the head. So and that's just keep repeating the same method. Add a new camera, bind to marker, keyframe your camera positioning, and that's all. Keep doing that continuously, and that's how you can use multiple camera on Blender. So thank you for watching this tutorial video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more videos.